Good day, people. This is Sam again. Afternoon. We had a good little rain a few minutes ago, and we had to quit what we were doing. But we're back now, and we're starting up some new nukes here because the queens didn't come back. This is hive 220 that queen didn't come back on, but that's okay. Nothing. I put a queen cell in here. Actually, I didn't. I put a frame of bees in here from one of my other hives. Frame had eggs, bees, brood, and we're hoping they make a queen. Now, we don't know if they're gonna make a queen by now, but I just want to check, see how they're doing. Figured I'd show y'all. Okay, this frame here. Good laying frame. Has bees. And we're also going to be looking for a queen just in case we missed them. This one here has a little pollen on it there. This one here has some capped brood from the old queen. It's not hatched yet. And it's not hatched, so the queen may have not have gone out yet, but it should have. And I don't see her anywhere. And no, just because a hive doesn't have a queen does not mean that they're angry. And just because you got a hive and they're angry doesn't mean that they don't have a queen. What does it mean, Sam? It means a lot of stuff. Could be a lot of reasons. This one here has brood and eggs. Oh, it don't. It has larvae and eggs. I'm going to get this right in a minute, people. It has larvae. It may have eggs. This side here. That one there has some larvae on it and things. Don't see no queens. The light isn't right to see if we got eggs. And at this point, if we do, we do. If we don't, we'll figure it out later. This one here still has some capped brood, but I haven't seen the queen since the get-go. She was in here for a while, and she left. I haven't seen her since. This next frame just got a little piece that they're working on. Look at this one again. It has eggs and larvae. See how that works out. Just want to show y'all what we're doing here again. Like I say, this is hive number 220 magnolia tree. And our magnolia trees aren't blooming yet. And I'll show that in a later video. They have the buds out there like they're wanting to, but there's no flowers yet. We're going to give them some food and some water. Let them know I love them. Take all the old stuff out. Don't want to have no beetles in there. I found that most of the time when I feed them like this and I put that pine straw in there, okay, that the beetles will get amongst them. There we go. We'll put their sticks back in here. You have to push some sticks up the neck of these things, because if you don't, the bees will get up there and not be able to get down or out before you fill it up again. So we know we don't have a queen in this one yet. Come on. We have a baby here. Get up. Have another baby here. Come on. Okay, we're going to put this back on here. And we'll put a okay, the new frame came from 115 East Fence. Put that there. This one here is number 10. Queen didn't come back either.